So, do I have to be home during a roof install? Hi, I'm Max with Van Martin Roofing. One of the most common questions we get before installation day is, do I need to be home while you're putting my roof on? The short answer is no, unless you want to be. You don't have to be home during your roof installation, though you're always welcome to be if that makes you feel more comfortable. Most homeowners actually choose to be away for part of the day, and we can totally understand why. Roofing is so noisy. Between nail guns, tear off, hammering, and compressors, it's not the quietest home improvement project. If you work from home, we usually recommend setting up in a quieter part of the house, or even spending the day somewhere else if possible. Some families use it as a chance to run errands or take kids out for a fun day while we handle everything. But whether you're home or away, your comfort and peace of mind come first to us. Here's how we keep you informed throughout the process. First, before we start, our crew lead will introduce themselves, explain the plan for the day, and answer any last-minute questions. Second is during the install, if you're away, we can send text or photo updates showing the progress, so you can see everything that's happening in real time. Third, at the end of the day, we'll schedule a quick walkthrough with you to inspect your finished roof, review the work, and make sure you're completely satisfied before we wrap up. We'll also confirm cleanup is 100% done. No nails, no debris, and nothing will be left behind. We understand it's your home, and letting a crew work without you there takes trust. And that's why we make communication a priority. From start to finish, you'll always know exactly what's happening and when. So, no, you don't have to be home, but no matter where you are, you'll feel confident knowing your home is in good hands. Want to see exactly what your roof installation process would look like? Click the link in our bio and schedule a free inspection, and we'll walk you through every step before we ever get started.